Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Tesla. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Here's the chart for Tesla. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart here. Today was not a good day, almost as predicted. We're down almost 22 points today. We could not hold the bottom of the channel here. We could not hold the support at 620. Fell all the way down just briefly below 600 and then started to fight back, but it looks like we're still holding below this support here. It's actually at 619. So we've gone from the danger zone to the ship is now sinking, and we're bailing water out. If we can't get back above this level next week, we are headed down, and really the next support below this is all the way down at 537. So beyond the danger zone, we're actively falling, trying to find a parachute at this point. So it's not good. And honestly, we can look at the indexes and see that really, you know, there's no excuse. It was a decent day. The SPY was green for most of the day after a pretty strong start, testing this upper resistance level here at whatever this is, 392.50. Eventually, after a pullback, breaking through at the end of the day and going up almost towards testing all-time highs. Now that was the end of the day, but it's not like we had a weak morning or anything like that. It was strong all day, strong throughout, and Tesla was dying all day. Let's look at the NASDAQ. So here's the QQQ chart for today. As you can see, we had a bit of a dip pre-market, and lately we've seen Tesla following the NASDAQ more closely than the SPY, but at the open we kind of popped right back up, had a decent little open working higher, eventually dropped fairly sharply to test the support here at 309.75 and bounced off of that very strong, just like the SPY, and went straight up for the last hour or so of trading today. So a decent day for NASDAQ with a very strong finish. And really, you know, Tesla was just kind of falling and floundering all day. It caught on, finally got some wind in its sail at the very end, with both indexes pushing up basically vertically, and it really only gave us a small boost. It got us from 600 back to 619. Couldn't get us above the support line. Didn't even come close to trying to get back into the downtrend channel here. So this is dire at this point. Let's just zoom out briefly before we close out the video to get a perspective here. So yeah, below this level, which we kind of tested yesterday and ended up coming back, and today we've fallen below and have failed to get back above. Below this level, there's not much. There's the bottom of the growth channel here around 560-ish, and then the next support really here is this 538 level. So we've got a long way to fall, and it doesn't seem like the markets are even able to help support the stock anymore at this point. So I don't know, unless NASDAQ has a huge recovery and starts pushing all-time highs and SPY's going right along with it, it doesn't look good for Tesla next week. I think there's a good chance that we're going to go down and test and see these levels again. At least test this at some point next week. So if you've got calls, I hope they're longer dated. If you're thinking about getting puts, I might be getting some with you next week. I was hesitant to do it today on a Friday. It's a weird trading day, but yeah, next week, unless there's a huge pop Monday or something like that, I'm probably going to have to take some puts on this and make a play, because we've confirmed below this level and there's no support below it. It's just good technical trading at this point. As much as I love Tesla, the analysis here is telling us that this downtrend is continuing. We cannot hold support. We're going lower. That's it, guys. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And if you like my analysis, subscribe. I do analysis on Tesla every single day, so come back and see us next week. And if you really like my analysis, check out my main channel, Charting Trends for Trading Options, where I look at different stocks every single day. please let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments. I read all the comments, so if you have a question or just a comment, please let us know below. What do you guys think about Tesla? And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.